na kami ng Point Defiance. Today is August 18. Anong oras na pa dahil? 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Yes. Ayan kami lahat. They're excited. And ang araw na po yun. Kagabi kasi nagbagyo. Malakas yung thunder kagabi. Nagising si lightning. May kulog pa. May lightning na may kulog pa. Oh. Yeah. Charlie! Why are you holding hands with mommy?